Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. Guess what time it is? It's time for 25 Days of Christmas, Day 9. Woohoo! Day 9. So, it's kind of wet. Ooh, I feel kind of like a puff ball. I don't know. Let's see. I have about the same wrapping paper this year from all my Christmas presents. I think it's something homemade. Yes, indeed. Oh my God, look it. Oh my God. Oh my God. Them are so cute. I love them. Oh my God. Love them, love them, love them. Look at that. Jingle bell. Love the paper fabric she used. Oh my God. Oh, look at Sabrina. Her forgetting her name. I tell you, girl. She sent me a set, and I did my own, and now she made me a set. That's awesome. I am going to be adding hangers to these. These are so good. They're so cute. You guys haven't seen mine yet. Wait. I haven't did my kitchen video yet. Because I have Coda Bear. So cute. Oh, I love them. Gnomes. Gnomes, and more gnomes. All we do is gnomes. So cute, so cute. I like to use the fabric down here. I love this. See, I love the old print like this. Love the beard. Love how she did the hair. See, wait till you see mine. I'm going to put them all lined up. So cute. And then the little feet, the little cute. I love this, Sabrina. I can't wait, you guys, to see my video of my kitchen now. I'm glad I didn't do it yet. So cute. So this was day 9, everybody. Day 9. I want to thank Sabrina. These are beautiful. I love them. I can't wait to show you my kitchen. I have to rearrange things. So I'm glad I didn't get to that video, because I was preoccupied with the grandson. So I want to thank Sabrina again. I want to thank you guys that have been watching this. This has been so much fun doing these. So I want to thank you, as always. Be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. And Merry Christmas, and bye for now.